Hello again. So our first major assignment is the process of research assignment, and I'm going to spend a few minutes just talking you through the assignment right now. You can find it in week 1, and it has 100 points associated with it. And as you can see from the description here, it's due on day 7 of the first week, so right at the end of the week. And the idea is that you're completing your readings for the week. You're conducting a little bit of your own searches online just to get used to doing some research yourself. And then you're asked to provide a 2 to 3 paragraph response, about a minimum of 350 words, but most people are between 400 and 500, with the idea that you answer each of the following 6 questions. So I would use these questions as your headings, and then you're just going to run down them in order. So define and describe the importance of educational research, describe the steps involved, the characteristics of quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. And I would suggest if you have multiple parts to the questions, you may want to have multiple subheadings. You're asked to identify the types of research designs that are associated with quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. You're asked to discuss the importance of ethical issues, and you'll find a lot of information about that. And then the skills that people need to be able to design and conduct research. But I'm going to draw your attention to the bottom here because this is really the core component of this assignment. In answering these questions, please demonstrate your ability to conduct online research. In other words, don't just use the readings that I've given you. Go out and find your own readings as well. And then you need to be able to cite digital sources. So for this assignment, I'm specifically looking to see whether or not you can follow APA formatting protocols. Make sure that you use headings and subheadings well, that you use in-text citations, that you know how to use direct quotes and references. And you'll see in your reading for this week that you actually have links to websites which will really help you with all of the APA formatting. But as a researcher, it's really important that you know how to lay your paper out, how to use citations, how to use headings, and this is the first way to begin to practice doing that. Obviously, finding good sources of information is important, and so we're looking to see whether or not you can find some good sources, and then make sure that those scholarly sources are cited appropriately, and I think that you should have a good assignment.